For homeowners in Pell City, Alabama, maintaining year-round comfort means finding solutions that can handle the South's humid summers and chilly winters. One of the most effective upgrades for improving your home's performance, both in comfort and cost savings, is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern window systems are engineered to reduce heat transfer, block UV rays, and seal out drafts, giving your home the comfort and efficiency it deserves. But beyond immediate comfort, upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers long-term financial and lifestyle benefits that make it a truly smart investment for Pell City homeowners. Lower energy bills throughout the year. If you've noticed higher utility costs, outdated or poorly insulated windows could be the culprit. Traditional single-pane windows allow conditioned air to escape and outside temperatures to creep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, feature double or triple panes, low E coatings, and gas insulation, such as argon or krypton, to minimize heat transfer. During Pell City's hot summers, they help keep cool air inside, and during winter, they retain warmth, resulting in consistent indoor temperatures and lower monthly bills. Over time, these savings can be substantial, making your investment pay for itself while reducing your carbon footprint. Comfort you can feel in every season. In Alabama's climate, temperature swings can be extreme, from muggy July afternoons to frosty January mornings. Energy-efficient windows act as a thermal barrier, maintaining a stable indoor environment regardless of what's happening outside. No more sitting near a window and feeling the heat radiate through the glass or a cold draft in the middle of winter. These advanced windows reduce hot and cold spots throughout your home, ensuring every room feels comfortable year-round. Protection from UV damage. The southern sun can be unforgiving, and its ultraviolet rays can cause fading to your furniture, carpets, and curtains over time. Many energy-efficient windows include low-E glass coatings that filter out harmful UV light while still allowing natural sunlight to brighten your home. That means you can enjoy beautiful daylight in your Pell City home without worrying about discoloration or material damage, preserving your interior investments for years to come. Reduced noise and enhanced privacy. If you live near a busy street or active neighborhood, upgrading your windows can also significantly reduce outdoor noise. The multi-pane design and insulating gases used in energy-efficient windows act as a sound barrier, creating a quieter, more peaceful living space. Whether it's morning traffic or evening lawn equipment, the improved acoustic insulation helps make your home feel like a sanctuary of calm, a benefit that's especially appreciated after a long day. Boosted home value and curb appeal. In addition to comfort and savings, energy-efficient windows add tangible resale value to your property. Buyers today are increasingly drawn to homes that combine style with sustainability, and new windows check both boxes. With sleek frame designs, customizable finishes, and improved functionality, energy-efficient windows elevate your home's curb appeal while signaling that it's well-maintained and future-ready. For Pell City homeowners planning to sell down the line, this upgrade can make your property stand out in a competitive market. Environmental responsibility and long-term benefits. Energy-efficient windows aren't just good for your wallet, they're good for the planet. By reducing energy waste, you're directly lowering your home's carbon emissions. In Pell City, where environmental awareness and sustainable living are growing priorities, this upgrade reflects a commitment to a greener, cleaner community. Plus, many homeowners find that these windows require less maintenance and last longer than older models, thanks to improved frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite that resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. A smart investment that pays off. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is more than a home improvement project. It's a long-term investment in your comfort, savings, and property value. You'll enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home, lower energy bills, and a stylish exterior that enhances your curb appeal. For homeowners in Pell City, where weather conditions can change quickly, making the switch to modern, high-performance windows ensures your home stays protected, comfortable, and efficient for decades. Final thoughts. From lowering utility bills to improving your family's comfort and protecting your home's interiors, energy-efficient windows deliver value you can see and feel every day. When you're ready to make the upgrade, choose a local Pell City window installation expert who understands Alabama's climate and can ensure your new windows perform at their best. It's a decision that not only enhances your home, but also your quality of life.